Hello people! Do you want to know how to change the theme on Reddit? If you don't know, today I will show you. Reddit application on the phone offers us a choice of a larger number of visual themes. For the light theme, we can choose one of 4. Each of them is defined by another color used with the white color. For the dark theme, we can choose one of the 2 offered. One is the classic night theme, and the other is adapted for phones with AMOLED screens. So, let's try them out. Open the Reddit app. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the settings option by clicking on it. Scroll down until you find the Auto Dark Mode option. To select the desired theme, you first need to turn off the option to follow the system theme. Click on Auto Dark Mode and turn off this option. As you can see, the theme has now changed. If you want to further change the theme, click on Light Theme. There you have more options regarding the colors that will be applied to the buttons next to the options. I will choose Mint. If you want to switch from light to dark mode, click on the button next to dark mode. The theme has changed again. For additional changes, click on Dark Theme. Choose the color for the dark theme. I will mark Night. Differences in theme can be noticed. The first one had a dark black color, while this dark mode uses a slightly lighter black color. That's it. I hope this video will help you create Reddit just the way you want it. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.